afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Okay, good afternoon, everybody. My name is Philip Stokes, and I'm ready to be your student vice president. It was World War I United States Army officer George Patton who said, "Accept the challenges so that you may feel the exhilaration of victory." Although I profess many beliefs that the concept of leadership ought to encompass, this quotation reflects the common essence of those many beliefs. Beyond this, I contend that the challenges that El Camino College Associated Students Organization faces, such as the improvement of campus safety, bridging the communication gap between the students and their government, and accurately representing their voices, ought to be met by a united team of student leaders. I also believe that where there are philosophical characteristics found in leaders, there are tangible qualities. The greatest leaders that humanity has ever produced have harbored a profound ability to know when to be decisive and when to listen to advice, when to advance and when to fall back. And as a great leader once told me, how to find the greatest good in any person and to expand that good in such a way to benefit others. There is perhaps a more critical quality that ought to exist in all leaders: the ability to always identify within the self, areas within the self that may be improved, the yearning to improve those areas, and the desire to inspire others to be great through one's own self-improvement. As an individual who has experienced and overcome many hardships in life, I find myself truly in possession of the qualities addressed above. Suffering a spinal cord injury 3 years ago, completely paralyzing my left arm, I have been pushed to overcome unspeakable difficulties. However, through this journey that I have been opportuned with, I have gained a unique appreciation for life and its beauties, as well as a refined ability to have critical patience in decision-making. Having inspired me to reject the pursuit of doing the physical minimum and instead propelled me to achieve the intellectual maximum, I have seized the privilege of serving as a senator as well as representing the Interclub Council leaders in the Student Senate. These qualities, coupled with my experience on the El Camino debate team, will aid me in fulfilling my duties as vice president. I aim to assist in leading the